Hi, I'm Luke Desmond, the CEO and founder of Crisp Accountancy. We are growth-focused accountants and we help businesses grow by providing clarity over your finances. And in line with that, we are super excited to share our Profit Accelerator workshop with you. Now, the best news is that you don't even have to be an existing ongoing client of ours. Let's say you've got another accountant, but they're not able to help give you that advice to increase your profit and to grow, then this service is perfect for you. One off, no ongoing obligations, one simple fee, and a great outcome. So, what is a Profit Accelerator workshop? Well, once you begin the workshop, we will send you a list of some questions for you to think about where you want to get to, your goals, where you're currently at, and what some of your numbers look like. We're then going to put that into our growth equation formula. We're going to jump on a call with you and we're going to work through what that formula looks like. So we're going to teach you how to pull each of the growth levers. If you increase your sales conversion, if you increase your price, what if you cut your margin slightly? And we're going to show you what that outcome looks like in a quantifiable way. So we can show you where your profit is now and where it's going to get to, how much you can increase in percentage and in real terms. So that's great. We're then going to talk to you about how you can create an action plan to deliver on those promises that we just talked about. Because a formula is great and using a spreadsheet to show you how you're going to create more profit is great, but unless you can take that away and take action, then you're not going to get as much out of it. So you're going to get both the quantifiable value of increasing your profit and how you're going to do that. Brilliant. Best of all, we offer a money back guarantee on this. So if you don't think you got complete value from this session at the end, then no questions asked, we will just refund the fee to you. So it's win-win, there's nothing to lose. Hop on the website now, fill out the form, book your session.